Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. This video will be some sort of a little experiment, I would say. I do have another Georgian motorcycle channel where I speak in Georgian over there, and I've got a few hundred subscribers. So my friends kept telling me that I should try do a couple of videos in English. So basically that's what it is. I'll give it a go. It will be some sort of experiment. I'll upload a couple of videos in English in this channel, and we'll see from there. So, and about today, what's going on today, we heading up north, group of friends sneaked out for a little trip to Scotland. It's 6 of us, and we're gonna do a little circle in Scotland. We're not heading that deep as NC 500, but we're still gonna see lots of beautiful sceneries, have a good time. So definitely join us on that trip. It's not gonna be anything special, it's just a good buddies having a good time on a motorcycle trip, and I believe that's what we all want. So grab something tasty as a snack and join us on a ride. Let's go. As you can see, I'm riding 2023 Speed Triple 1200 RR. It's definitely an amazing bike, but not really sure if it's made for this sort of a trips. I'm not saying it's uncomfortable, it's definitely comfortable, especially with this aftermarket raised clip-on bars. Yeah, original ones are really extremely sporty, but in this case really comfortable. Only downside of these bikes, they're really dirty. And I'm not saying dirty in different sense, I'm saying everyone complains that in a rainy weathers like this it was like pissing down in the morning. So in a rainy days like this, it's atrocious to ride this bike. It flicks everything and throws at you, so all my back is wet. Another thing, that you can't really take any luggage on this, apart of maybe a little tank bag, but on the sitting position like this where you're tucked in, sporty position, tank bag doesn't help. So I would say it's pretty uncomfortable on a long journeys if you want to take at least a spare clothes. So, but there is a good side on it as well. If you have a lots of friends with sport touring motorcycles, you can load them up with your gear and then ride freely like I am now. I literally got just a backpack with my camera gear, and that's it. Thank you again, friends. So we've got quite a few interesting bikes on today's trip. Obviously Triumph, Kawasaki H2SX, one of the latest editions with the LiDAR and on bobs and whistles. Also we have XR with electronic suspension. I'm not sure how that model called exactly, but like new shape. What else? We've got V2S Ducati, amazing bike. Definitely need to give it a try. How it rides. We got the Jigsaw. I'm not sure if you can see it in a mirror. JSXR 600, sorry. And we've got Speed Triple 1050 at the beginning of the column. And the fact that we are on the trip like this with such a different bikes proves the point again that you don't need anything fancy. Only 2 wheels is enough to have a good time on a trip. It's always gonna be excuses, oh it's not comfortable, it's a long journey and stuff like that, but you will always work the way around them obstacles and still gonna enjoy the trip. So I recently had a motorcycle trip in Crete, where I was riding Royal Enfield Himalayan, the older version with a 24 or 25 horsepower. Definitely not an exciting motorcycle, but I can also say that I definitely had a great time on it. So doesn't matter what bike you ride, just go out and enjoy it. Views getting better and better. We're not in Scotland yet, but I definitely started to enjoy the ride. I believe I live in Britain for the past 10 years already, and I fell in love with this countryside A roads. It's so beautiful. How's the mood, gents?
Oh, good.
Good. Well, now people can see your faces on the video, so no more dodgy riding. Yeah.
I'm riding this one.
This one's mine.
Yeah. Right. We're in the Rothbury. Did a little pit stop and then came across of this beauty. This is Euro. Three-wheeler, basically sidecar bike. One of not that many you can buy now, brand new, and then they are insanely expensive. 24 grand roughly to get this. Way too much for this sort of a bike. I guess they're twin 750s, if I'm not wrong. Right, we are in Rothbury, one of the nicest little towns I've been in the UK. They've got a really nice Italian place in here, amazing pizza and pasta. If you wanna try it out, it's pretty good. And little twisty, windy roads around this town is town or village. It's amazing. Never can get used to the sound of this bike. It's just beautiful. And if you're wondering, this bike doesn't even have catalytic converter taken out. It's just a silencer box been bypassed with the link pipe, and then it's got just a shorter can, and it sounds beautiful. That chassis gas monkey on the back. Stopped for a little lunch, I guess, get some bakes or something, because you need to fill that bellies with something.
Fill the bellies.
Yes, yes.
Fill the dad bod.
Come on, Martin. There is too much empty space in there. We need to fill it up. Yeah.
No left in recent. Huh? No space left in recent.
No left.
My big recent.
Right, this is the hotel we're staying in. Looks lovely. That's the little park next to it. So yeah, pretty nice base for our ride outs along this weekend. So yeah, Jordan's happy. Gonna be happier with the pint in the hand. Right, that's the room. Well, house we're staying in. It's a little patio overlooking the little park over there. Billy's crushed on the couch already. Everyone's tired. We got some bedrooms upstairs.
I can't actually move.
I
can't move.
It was a bit exhausting as well for me.
My eyes they feel blistered.
That's how we need to get something to drink and something to eat. We also got a kitchen. I'm not sure if we're gonna be using it over the weekend, but still got it.
We have 2 nights.
TV. Yeah, would be lovely. Right, so we got the alcohol. Everyone's happy from now on.
Happy.
Yeah. When the beer is involved, everyone's happy.
Yep.
We got, since the boys decided to come out, I don't know, Brazilian way.
Brazilian sale.
Just the flip-flops missing, I guess. Oh yes, baby, yes. And since they came out like this, that's how our Jesse's gonna be carrying his grocery. There we go. That's lovely, isn't it? The boy getting the party started. Billy. That's it. Right, just came out from the steam room and swimming pool. Feeling glorious. And plus we've got this now to drink, so I'll see you tomorrow. Alright, just packed the bikes up, ready for a ride, and then we got the weather which suits Scotland, definitely. First day of the trip was just get into hotel with as scenic route as possible, but today, yeah, definitely we're gonna see the real Scotland. Definitely like what I see. Amazing views, amazing roads. I explored quite a bit of south of UK. Been in Wales multiple times, Low Wales. Fantastic roads over there as well, but definitely will be coming back to Scotland also for another trip. It's kind of dream already to do the NC 500. When I was living in London, it was a big plan for all of us, group of friends, to come up and do it, but it takes time. Time is money, as everyone knows, and then never managed to do it, but hopefully in the near future definitely will be doing it. You need to be careful with the weather though, it's really tricky in here, it changes every hour. So even today we went through rain and sun, I don't know, maybe like 5 times. So when you traveling up Scotland, especially on a motorcycle, be ready for the weather changes like that. Oh, there's a nice river running down there. And then you don't really, even with this sort of a bikes like H2SX and BMW XR or even Speed Triple, you don't really want to go fast on these roads. You just want to, look at this, you just want to go, I don't know, 40-50 miles an hour, sometimes even slower, and just spin your head, enjoy the view. That's all what you want to do. Look at this, amazing. I mean, I'm not saying you're not gonna enjoy riding fast in these twisties. You definitely will, but everything got its own time and place, I would say, like that. This is the proper scenery. This is why we're out for. That's the one. Amazing. I guess we're gonna have a food coma today. Yeah.
Feasting.
What do you mean today? Not right now.
Right now.
I don't have 3 slices.